Yeah, this is going to be the video to document the aftermath of the Thanksgiving weekend 2010 snowstorms. Yeah, it's been getting battered by this white stuff. Sure is pretty though. A lot to move. Cleaned out numerous times. Wow. Snowed another foot last night. All this has been cleaned out a couple of times at least, all the way. And you got to keep on top of it, or it will turn into a substance you won't be able to deal with. A glacier. I got my work cut out for me today to plow again. Good old 77. Yeah, you can see his oil leak under there. It's really losing oil when it runs. And, see if that Lucas treatment don't remedy that. Big snow. Anytime you come out, you gotta dig everything out, at least create pathways through it. The one thing you want to try to stay away from is walking on it or driving on it before you clean it off, and then it comes right off. It doesn't turn into some packed down thing. Just go out here and take a nice little look-ski at the view since it's so nice. Wow, that's my work cut out for me. Big snow. Been able to get all these ruts graded down and pushed off the edge with the plow now, and the edge is now way out here. So I'm able to push snow way out here. Numerous times it plowed out that driveway. Wow. And apparently there's well, not apparently, there is there's at least 2 other trucks that are helping plow in here, other homeowners. So that's a huge help. It is winter wonderland, and winter is still 3 weeks away. You can see what came off of the, that's just from shoveling the roof right there, which needs to be shoveled again. Big snow. So, the next video I'll make right after this here in a few hours will be hopefully a clean video. And the driveways just function beautifully. Plow takes it right down. The only way to get it out of here is just to keep backing the truck in and shoveling from the edges into the middle and pushing it back out over the edge. A lot of work. Want to stay young? Go buy you a mountain, man. Nice to be standing in the flat here. Huge difference over last year. This was all just the side of a mountain. Carport's been great. You collect snow and then you just kind of push it off. Which only takes a minute. You got this wonderful snow-free environment. I don't know if you can see, that is all packed snow back in there. It's all got to be dug out. That's going to take an afternoon, but it has to be done. And get the welding machine into the back of the 77 is where it's going to live. All mounted all nice and wired into the truck system. And oh yeah, the snow. Okay. Alright, well, gotta put the camera down and get busy. Thanks for watching.